Hey guys, I'm showing you this bathroom or anywhere else like the bamboo box. So this is storage box for the napkins or paper towels or anything you want. So it comes in a nice box as you can see it here. And let me do this unboxing first so you can see what comes in the package. So this is the nice box here. It's made of bamboo. So this is a pack of napkins inside it. Let me just take it out and open and store. This is pretty good, like if you want to use it like makeup table or the bathroom or anywhere else there you use this napkin. So this napkins fits really well, very soft, and this also have a really good size, so it's pretty good and absorbent. So this bamboo box is like able to like open easily. The handles and everything looks fine, so even the kids can use it. These are the stickers that will make it non-slip, and then you can place it anywhere and then use it. So it's pretty good and handy. Nice quality bamboo box, non-slip, and then can be used to store a good size napkins.